YouTube. I think boy this thing make this an exotic in Tongo man and Fana Petini Gatas Kondirigiri. Oh yeah. In the meantime, between the Michorieta Recta this in Dongo man. Yeah, guys, and I'm here with
Hey yo! What's good, guys? It's your boy Bafana Lunzigo. Umfana wazala inyanga, umama kumtakathu mngana lawyer.
We are about to begin. Bango! He says, so back again with another banger,
Yeah, another banger.
Yeah, with tooth mats on top of this then your number. Yeah, guys. Today, guys, we're gonna be rating Sa Baddies. You know? Yeah.
Rating Sa Baddies, Papa.
Rating Sa Baddies.
This one is a tough one.
Yeah. If you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe. We're gonna give you more. We're gonna save you, guys. We're gonna save you. We promise. You know? Proper. Yeah. Yeah, guys. We're gonna be rating Sa Baddies.
It's new. So we must start, ne? Let's start with this one.
Subscribe.
And let me tell you this, ne, first. Yeah, this one we're going to rate today, cause obviously are the different one. All of them deserve 10, bro. But okay, let's start with this one. Kukuma Shiu.
Go.
G-U. Go. Yeah.
Hey, banna.
Go. As you know, hey, go Scooby's ex. Yeah.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. She's a 10.
What would you say to her?
I don't have much to say. Yeah. Oh, what would I say? You are beautiful, Kuku, and keep taking care of yourself and your skin. You are a 10.
Gugu. Hey Gugu.
Yeah.
Like Gugu. Uyu Gugu lami. Wazintokazi ungijabulisa inhliziyo. Wangithufumata inhliziyo, wangithokoza inhliziyo.
Thokoza inhliziyo.
Wangenza ngizuze mnandi inhliziyo. Like uyinhliziyo yami. Each and every heartbeat is calling your name. Thank you.
Yeah. Let's go to another one.
Yeah.
Let's go to another one. So let me see. Oh, we must put. She's the second one.
Woo! Shit! Charlene!
Bro.
Shit!
DJ Charlene.
Shit!
100 out of 10, bro.
I thought I was gonna
100 out of 10, yeah?
I thought I was gonna hold myself. I can't hold myself.
Shit! Charlene.
I wanna nyakhalela vele.
Charlene.
Ki BBL does she apply BBL?
It's okay, baby, stop.
I even tell natural. It shows natural. So I want Ooh, Charlene. Okay, 2
out of 10.
Kadala 10.
1. After all this effort we put, bro, 100 out of 10.
Charlene, I wish I wasn't told. I would.
What will you do if you were told? How will you do there, Charlene, if you were told?
Charlene, baby, I'ma give you 100,000 every week. I'ma make sure that I serve you well. I'ma make sure, Charlene.
No, Charlene.
And we're gonna every day, every day, every day, every day, every day, every day,
Every day.
every.
No. That's enough.
Yeah,
That's enough. 10
10 out of 10. Zama.
Zama. Naomi na Zama.
I don't know her. Honestly, I don't know you.
Who doesn't know this girl, bro? I'm told. Sino's ex
She
girlfriend.
used to be on the podcast.
Yeah, the one he was crying about this girl. Hey, Sino went through a lot from this one.
I don't know her.
Sino went through a lot, bro. I won't tell you lie, bro. Hey, but she's a 10. She's beautiful. 10 out of 10, bro. I told you, all these ladies deserve 10 out of 10, bro. I told you, she's a 10. 10 out of 10. Because you don't know. Just look at her. I don't know.
7 out of 10.
Mm.
But I would like to know you. I would like us to know each other, the both of us. We can be intertwined.
You don't know this girl. She's Charlene's best friend, bro.
Bro, I don't know her, bro.
Naomi, you don't know her.
But if she's Charlene's best friend and you are my brother, if she's Charlene's best friend and you are my brother, I'ma take Charlene. You go take her. We go.
Cause you know Charlene, I don't know.
Yeah. You agree? Do you agree? You will take her. I'll take Charlene.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She's also fine. Yeah, I will take her. She's also fine, bro.
But the energy is like low key.
Let me show you this one. This one will go crazy. This one. Nolita. You don't know her.
I don't know her.
It's Shy's moon. It's Shy
Chase Moon's sister.
friend. Best friend.
Best.
I think they met in school or they come from the same hood, you know. But it's a best friend.
I wish I was
Bro.
her shorts. I wish I was the short she's wearing now. The speed shorts. I wish I was the short.
Oh. This one. Nolita.
I wish I was the short. You know.
Nolita.
Nolita. I rate her.
10 out of 10.
10.
10 out of 10. Nolita.
Come in. I'ma give her a 8. 8 out of 10. I'ma give her 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10. Look who just walked in. Look who just walked in. The superstars. The real superstars, bro. The real superstars.
Exactly.
Let's go, bro.
Le.
Go, bro, boy. You.
We go, bro.
What's up, bro?
Let's go, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah? What's good, bro?
Yeah, guys, I'm like
What's good, bro?
superstars just talked in.
Come and say hi to the cam.
Y'all can say that to your care, bro. You can like bonut kiran na hot cop. Your hot cop.
I don't want you to say you. Really fun.
Yeah, hey, it's good
That's
YouTube. Hey.
We are back.
Yeah.
How you feeling now? Now, yabo.
If it's a video. Yeah, guys, we out here, you know. Where were we, bro? Where were we?
Nolita.
Yeah, I wish I was hair shorts. The speed shorts. I wish I was hair shorts, bro.
Rate her out of 10.
Mama give it 8. Yeah, 8.
8 out of 10.
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know her,
Cause you don't know her, ne?
but she's Shy Moon's best friend. I'ma take Shy Moon. You go take her. You agree?
Yeah. That's cool.
Yeah.
No problem.
Yeah.
Deal right?
Yeah.
See.
Yeah.
Bro, look at them, bro.
Never mind them. Leave them. If we're like in a studio where like we are a big platform where you gonna look at them, at the people, food people.
No.
Yeah. Do you? That's us.
Barbie.
do us.
Yeah, the next one is Barbie. Barbie.
Picture. Woo! Shit.
She's a 10.
Hey, shit, bro.
I'ma give her a 10 out of 10, bro.
I wish I was her necklace, bro.
And at least.
That's a little video. You want to end? Come, bro. You can.
You want to
squeeze it.
You want to
bro.
rate?
You want to rate?
Yeah.
Yeah, bro. Yeah.
I'm about to switch things up right now, guys.
Yeah, want to like this.
Yes, sir. Oh,
Yeah.
come.
Yeah. Ay, trakauna na ofita tickets ale yena. Yeah. Yeah.
Mas we like the dance, man.
Uya ka mfano.
Jai.
Uya go.
Ça va, elle fait des
No,
no.
mazana ngambuzisi continue sana.
Oh,
Oshe, ukhulile ya kwanyana boy. Ya ra.
Jos,
Hey, wona sikhiya mfana ka uthi.
Rabonana.
Joga ya jam. Kan ke mmereko mang jo? Isa nna ta o sofe. Tsa stulo da. Yeah, we just recruited a new member.
You know what I'm saying? So, let's give him his spotlight. Say your intro. Introduce yourself.
Say your name.
Yeah,
Intro, name.
I had to prepare for that.
No lie.
Say your name, bro.
You don't have to prepare, bro.
You don't have to prepare, bro. You know?
Just tell them who you are. That's it.
My name, right?
Yeah.
Should I tell you my name or her name?
Your name, bro.
Your name
Aye,
first.
what's up? Your name, bro. Tell them your name. We need to rate these babies, bro.
Oh, right here, it's Pretty Boy Floyd, my nigga.
Yeah.
Oh, Pretty Boy Floyd, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you'll put his social media.
Yeah, I'ma put So like we rating babies, bro. We just recruited a new member,
So
guys. So like
we were to.
what do you think about
this
her?
this guy?
She's cool.
Out of 10,
Out of 10.
I'm gonna give her 7.5.
7.5 it is. Why? Why?
She's solid, you know?
Nah.
Yeah.
You?
Solid. Why? I said 10 out of 10.
Why?
She's a type.
She's a type. I'ma rate her a 8.
8 out of 10.
8 there.
Why?
You know why? Because of she's 1, I'm 1. We are 2, the 2 of us, then we make a 10.
Damn.
You know?
Okay.
Yeah, she bad, bro.
Yeah.
She like, damn. Isn't this like an AI picture?
No.
She bad. She
And
bad.
she's so short.
My nigga, bro, she better.
She's so short as fuck.
She
bro.
better as a mouth. Ooh, shit.
See, with this one, niggas are groaning.
Nah, like this one.
Niggas are groaning with this
Nah.
one, bro.
Nah.
Niggas are groaning. Shy. This one is shy. Where's the hand?
That's her name.
Let me show you hand.
Shy Moon.
Shy moon. What is it, bro? Yeah, it's shy, bro. Shy moon.
Alright.
Shy. Shy moon.
Ooh, shit.
Damn, bro.
Right there.
You can start.
Yeah, you can start.
You can start because you just.
You just
So I gotta start.
Yeah, you just in time, bro.
Okay. I'll just give her 8.5.
8.5.
Yeah.
Why?
She's solid.
Nah, bro. You're repeating the
That's a
same
PR
thing, bro. You
that's
like
a PR
repeating the
answer.
same thing, bro.
That's a PR
I feel like
answer.
she got the vibe, yeah.
Nah.
Yeah, she got the vibe.
Yeah, she
You
do.
can see even the pose, like.
Yeah, she do. Yeah, like she doesn't care about the people who surround her.
Yeah,
Right.
yeah.
Yeah.
As you shouldn't. As people entered, you were like you changed the energy. You must have the same energy, bro, with her, bro.
I'm so shy of niggas, bro.
Nah, bro.
Oh my god, bro.
I'm ready there.
It's giving day.
Gay.
And I
9.
Yeah.
Why?
Hmm?
Why?
Because of there's something's missing. Her boy is not.
You are missing,
Her boy is not the one.
bro. Okay.
Yeah.
You're checking the wrong things.
You're checking the wrong things, bro. Like, you rate her a 9. You
So
are the only one that's missing,
You are
bro.
telling me that I must just look at the face,
My nigga, bro.
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 Okay, I understand.
Yeah.
I understand.
Yeah.
You must start from her. I know, not her. From top to head.
No toes here.
I'm saying when you are looking to
At the girl.
you know what I'm saying?
Alright.
Yeah.
Yeah.
My nigga, bro, like the rate.
9
Nine.
out of 10.
Okay.
Okay, I'ma give it 9.6.
9.6.
96. You know why?
Why?
Because she's shy, and afternoon, and late bars at night we at the moon.
Nigga,
And
what?
we're shy. You know?
This one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Woo shit.
Yeah, Underwoods.
Oh my god. Woo
You know
shit.
it, right?
I heard the name.
Woo shit.
Oh yeah. Okay.
I'ma start.
You know it.
I'ma start.
Yeah, start.
I'ma give her solid 8.3.
8.3.
Yeah, solid 8.3.
Why?
Because like she's a 10 on, bro.
She what?
She's a 10 on. She's a 10 on.
Oh, she turns you on.
Yeah,
she's
like-
not a 10 on. Wait. Fix your statement. She's not a 10 on. She turns you
My
on.
nigga, she's a switch. I'm an electricity bulb. So she turns me on. Nah, bro.
That's a reason.
Listening
That's a
is a
bar.
skill,
That's a
shy.
bar.
She's not shy. Woods. I'm fire, you are woods. Together we combine, we make like a
Damn.
volcano.
Mm-mm.
Yeah, you rate.
Right there.
Yeah.
I will just give a solid 8.
You went 8 today, boy.
Yeah,
Okay,
but
okay,
me
okay.
too. I'll give a solid 8.
Mhm.
Why? Why did you say 8?
Damn, bro. Yeah. Yeah, man. She's dope, you know.
Yeah.
She's dope.
And she got conscious. Yeah, she has
And-
money. Yeah,
Bro,
she has
wow.
money. Yeah,
Damn.
she,
Oh.
she drives a Porsche.
Porsche.
She drives another Porsche.
Yeah.
She shot on me. I shot drive her me.
Oh nah. You go on a passenger, Prince.
Me. Nah, she drives a Porsche. She drives another Porsche. Who shot another driver yena.
You were saying, oh,
Yeah,
It's on me.
he was. Yeah.
I said I will rate. I said 8 out of
Mhm.
10.
Mhm.
Yeah. Why?
I will give her a 10.
Mm-hmm.
She's a 10, but for now, actually, yeah, I will say 8 because you know what I mean. She got fucked by all the niggas.
Oh
from
my
the-
god.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh
Hey, nah,
my
wait.
god.
No,
Oh my
wait.
god.
Wait.
Oh my god.
She dated Zilois. She dated who's that guy? Tony Diamond.
Yeah.
Name them.
She dated another guy, bro. I don't know. They were talking about recently on their podcast. 3 niggas from the inside the industry. She dated, bro.
We don't care.
Her value, bro.
We don't care.
Her value.
Me for if I can take her
Her
value
value,
up,
bro.
I can level up her value.
Damn.
She's a type, but because of that,
I understand.
You don't even know that niggas. You are saying you are trying to say like you ain't gonna fit. Are you trying to say you ain't gonna fit there? Are you trying to say that? Nah, I'm asking gents. Nah, bro. Like I'm asking.
Maybe he's scared.
My nigga, bro.
thanks.
Bro.
Maybe I'm scared.
Okay.
Maybe I'm scared.
Okay, Mara, bro, I'ma tell you all that thing doesn't stay like this forever, bro. It does.
Let's pass that one.
You know?
Let's get to the next one. Maz.
Mas, I'ma give. Oh, you can start.
Bye.
Yeah.
Okay.
Kayu Maz is this one.
Okay.
That's the one from Yellow Lyrics, right? Yeah, I'ma give her
You know it, right?
Yeah.
I'ma give her
Mm-hmm.
Should I start?
Let me start 7.
Hey, bro, you were reading my mind, bro.
7, right?
Okay, why?
Yeah, 7 out of 10.
Mhm.
Why?
She actually I always talk facts. Me.
Right.
One thing about me,
Mm.
I will say factor. Cause she doesn't have the body.
Okay.
Nah.
Yeah,
She
okay.
doesn't have the body.
Hey, you like the board, you.
Yeah.
Hey, you.
You're saying the wrong thing.
Hey, bro, nah, yo.
Bro, let me tell you, a woman is a woman with a body.
Not all women.
She must. Yeah, you must
Feel
you
it.
Oh
must
my
feel her.
God, bro.
She must have a curve.
More pushing for the pushing type shit.
My nigga.
Yes, sir.
Bro,
Yes, sir.
okay. You right there, bro.
Bro, I don't want to hurt their feelings.
Okay. Does she care about your feelings?
So this one, what you will say, what we're about to say.
for sure, she does care about
It's
your
true.
feelings.
Fuck, camera slipped out, guys. Fuck.
Mara, you are right at that. So,
Yeah.
Oh, you were saying.
I'll just give it 5.5.
I know why.
Why?
I know why. Me, I know why.
Tell me.
I know why.
Tell me about it.
You just you know her, ne? But because of now you were zooming this picture, ne? You saw a gap. Hey, let us not laugh. He saw a gap between his hair.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
That's why.
Okay.
Right? I'm kidding.
Yeah, you're keeping, bro.
Why did you give her? Why did you rate her 5.5? Why?
Like, bro, like, I don't like it drip.
Ne?
Okay, yeah, it does make it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'ma rate her, I'ma give her a 10 cause Jimbos are like cooking her, bro. Nah, I don't like that.
So you
bro.
feel sorry for her?
I feel sorry for her because and girls with gaps, bro, are delicious, bro.
Nah, this nigga's just hungry, dog.
Bro,
He's
nigga,
just hungry.
No lie.
nigga, bro, nah, hey, bro, nah, when done, bro. When,
Okay.
Ooh, shit.
No.
Oh, when done, bro, my nigga.
So
I'ma give her a 10. She's a vibe. I like her questions. I wish she can ask
what?
me questions. I like her questions.
when she interviewed people, bro.
Yeah, I wish she can interview me like in bed. No, cause girls with gap, like, bro, I ain't lying, bro. I'ma be honest, bro.
Yeah.
Girls with gaps, bro, my nigga, bro, my nigga.
What?
Girls with gaps.
Do what?
When she like bite the thingy. Let me not okay, like, bro, nah, bro, like, okay, bro, the next one. But I'm gonna
Okay, cool. No lutando.
She.
Also, this one, they take every no, not most of the gen inside the industry. That everyone knows it. That one.
This one is the same Tando that I know.
Yeah,
The trending one.
the trending one. You know what I'm saying?
Tando. Who started? You start, bro.
Right.
You know her start. You start.
DJ Coach's daughter.
Mm-hmm.
DJ.
Coach.
DJ Coach.
DJ Coach's daughter.
DJ Coach.
Bro,
You start.
She dated Sasha.
Yeah.
Panda. Is that nice? Which one?
That one from America. Imen or something like that.
Yeah, that guy, right?
Yeah.
Tando.
It's not like It's
Nigga,
not like it's not like she dated them forever, bro. Like for sure, if you date her, you are gonna be on the list too. You know, we're gonna list you with us who didn't date her.
I see what you're doing. You are securing a spot for yourself. One day. Shit.
Ain't go miss, bro.
Don't worry.
Bro, I'm telling you, bro. But I'm telling you, bro. I'ma be honest,
She's
bro.
a 10, man. 10 out of
Yeah,
10. 10
yeah.
out of 10.
Mhm.
I give it 9.5.
9.5.
Solid one.
I'ma give her a 3.
Yeah? I know you're keeping.
Why?
3 plus 5. 8.
Why?
You know why? I like her voice. I rated her on my previous video. You know, I gave her a 10. But now, you know, things are stock like the low's value. You know, stocks low. Stocks lose value.
Okay, let's get to the next one.
Yeah.
Iconic brio.
She's a colored, ne?
Yeah.
Color 10 out of 10.
Iconic brio.
Ooh.
You're lying.
I get it.
Yeah?
I know him.
You get it, right?
Yeah.
And she's with Sasha.
Hey guys, I wish you can see, you can look at the cameraman, bro. Iconic
Bro,
brio.
the cameraman is starving, bro.
Iconic brie. She's starting for brie, ne?
She's starving. She's a colored girl. Let me start. I'ma give her a 9.7. 9.7.
Alright.
Oh wait. That's a mistake. I'ma give her 3.
Cut the show.
You know why? Because you are reacting on what I'm rating her, and you like, you know, and I'm like, you know,
Okay.
like I'ma be serious, bro. I'ma rate her 9.7.
Alright. Okay.
9.7
Why?
because she's iconic brie, and like she seems fresh, and like, you know,
Okay.
yeah, bro.
Okay. Oh, it's my turn right now. I will give it a 9.
Why?
Because I'm the one she needs.
Shout out to Playboy Floyd, man. And you?
Wait, let me think for the reason. I don't have one, I don't have one,
You know what? Just right there.
I guess you just want a, right?
10.
You just want a 10 out of 10, yeah? 10. She's a 10, bro. 10 out of 10, bro. Because as you can see, she's iconic.
Yeah.
She's brie. And I can't breathe. I can't breathe.
The last one, this one is the last one.
Last one, right?
The last one. Star girl. Bree's friend. Actually, they call themselves twins.
Bro, I wanna rate. Start rating, bro, before the
Again.
rate decrease, bro.
Okay.
Should I start?
Oh,
Start.
let me start.
Wait, that cup was in.
This one is the last one. Start, you.
I just start. Okay.
Star girl.
Because she got braces. And she's rocking red bay. Damn. This one, I'm also giving her a 9. You know the answer.
Okay.
I don't want to say it.
Yeah.
We know.
Who's next?
You are shooting your shot. You Star girl, 100 out of 10. 100 out of 10. That means she doesn't deserve to be rated out of 10. And you?
Bro, bafethu lo mntwana umanzi bafethu. Bro, bafethu lo mntwana umanzi bafethu. Mina ngitshela ngalo mntwana.
Yeah.
I almost ungidwabe about him. I almost guys.
Almost what? Almost what?
I almost shade ngidwabe about him. Of her, guys. Nothing personal, bro. Lo mntwana umanzi.
Almost,
I
right?
almost. Angazi
Hey, you better be telling the truth.
But the 10 out of 10.
You better be telling the truth.
Bro, Stakele, bro. Like when I think about her, when like Mankonyele wafethu.
Just expose to sad.
Bro, bafethu, yo, bafethu, Stakele lo manzi jo. Yo, wena ngikhuluma ngesiZulu. Mate, kele. Stacken.
Ya yakuzwa.
La uthanda leli bitso la hayi chu. Yo, Stacken. Stacken chu. I wish like you were mine.
But she's the last.
But you go be mine in the future for sure. You go be mine, and then yes sir. Yeah, guys, if you like the video, wait.
Please subscribe.
Wait. Let us make him rate Chanel.
Already raised with her.
Told them. Yeah.
Hold on.
Charlene.
Ooh shit.
Okay.
Trust me, you don't want to see the bag. Trust me.
Let's move this. Damn. She got a
Boy, that
paragraph.
glass is empty.
She got a paragraph.
That's a nice tattoo.
It's nice.
That's my birth name, my surname, date of birth, death of birth,
Anniversary.
and the visa birth, and everything.
Hold on. Death of Beth.
My nigga, y'all must stop listening to the things that does not
Right there.
to be listening to.
You can't get over here.
Out of 10, I'll bend you for real.
Yo,
I'll bend you for real, bro.
Out of 10.
Damn, bro.
The face. She got a paragraph.
The body is nah.
The body's nice.
The toes are nah.
Bro.
When she got them heels on, bro, I'm like, oh my god.
Guys,
There's no need for me to say it.
I think I'm shot
You already know.
we already know.
She got 10 fingers. This means I give her 10.
That was
Bro, we need this person, bro. We need this bro on our video, bro.
Why not?
Y'all are gonna see.
Comment down below
see
if you want to see him.
Y'all are gonna see him more
Comment down
often.
below, guys.
You're gonna see him more often.
It's a must.
Close it.
Guys, if you like the video, make sure you subscribe and like the video. Turn on the notification button and turn on the turn me on. You gonna turn me on. If you turn on the subscribe button, you gonna turn me on. If you are a king, you know. And I'ma make sure that I save you well. You know. Yeah. Shout out to Playboy Floyd, man. Thank you for being on our video. Ne? You know. Yeah. Shout out. Yeah, shout out to the cameraman. He's been like, guys, let me tell you something. He's been yelling the tete. He's been drowning the tete. He's been drowning Marty when we were rating babies. Like bro is hungry, bro. Like,
better not be holiday.
Nah,
You better
bro.
not be holiday.
Guys, like, please help him, bro. Like, at least one baby, like, should come and kiss him on the cheek. Maybe
On the cheek, just on the cheek.
on the cheek. Maybe she will stop doing what he does every night.